Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all device specifications on this device. Start by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Over here you need to type in Dev Check and download this free app. Come on! From this developer. That one, Device Check Hardware and System Info. Then open it. From this app you can find out all the information about your Xiaomi's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!